In this video, I want to show you how to use Bluetooth without a remote control on your Philips soundbar. So you're going to go on the right side. Most Philips soundbar will have all the buttons located over there. And if you turn it around, you're going to see them. You need to find the button that has an arrow. Mine is right over here in a circle. Maybe your arrow is in a square, doesn't matter, it's the same thing. And okay, once you found that button, you need also to find the light of your soundbar. This soundbar has a light right over here. You see at this moment it's green. This light is indicating you in which mode it's currently in. You need to press that arrow button until that light flashes blue like it is right now. If it's a solid blue, okay, like you see, it's not blinking blue, it means that another device is currently connected to the soundbar. So if you want to pair a new device, you first need to disconnect the other device. So I'll go ahead. In my case, this soundbar was connected to my iPhone. So I will go over here, click the I button, forget this device. And now the light is now currently flashing blue again. Take your new device you want to connect, go into the Bluetooth settings, scan for new device, and you should see your Philips soundbar. Tap on it, tap pair. You're going to hear a sound, and this simply means that both of these are connected, and this is about it. You can start using it with Bluetooth. If you want to pair another device, you'll have to disconnect yourself from this one before doing this. So over here, you can click disconnect or unpair. I'll click on pair because I don't think I'll use them again. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.